Yeah, we just want to know, do you know Bitcoin?
Yes.
Bitcoin, yeah.
Yeah, a little.
Not really. No, I'm not.
Yes, never heard of.
Bitcoin, yeah, I know. I know Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, yes, we do know Bitcoin.
So, willkommen zurück, Leute, zu einem neuen Video auf meinem Kanal. Wie ihr sehen könnt, sind wir hier gerade im wunderschönen Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Ja, relativ dicht dran an den Twin Towers und wir sind jetzt hier gerade im Park und wollen eine kleine Umfrage machen. Und zwar, wie investiert denn eigentlich Malaysia? Ja, ein paar Passanten fragen, ja, ob sie Bitcoin überhaupt kennen, ob sie schon investiert haben oder Krypto in general vielleicht kennen. Ich bin schon ein bisschen im englischen Flow, wie ihr hier ein bisschen merkt. Wir müssen logischerweise das Ganze hier gleich auf Englisch machen. Aber ja, ich denke, es wird auf jeden Fall spannend. Wir haben uns natürlich auch ein paar Geschenke ausgedacht, sprich alle, die sich daran beteiligen, die werden natürlich auch ein bisschen was gewinnen hier. Wir haben uns 200 € umgerechnet in 1000 malaysianische Ringgit auszahlen lassen, um die Leute natürlich auch hier zu belohnen, die daran teilnehmen. Das Ganze ist heute gesponsert von Bybit EU. Ja, falls ihr Bybit noch nicht könnt, Mika-regulierte Börse mittlerweile, die haben wirklich Fuß gefasst in Europa. Checkt auf jeden Fall gerne den Link in der Videobeschreibung ab. Gibt es natürlich auch noch Boni für euch, für die erste Einzahlung, für den KYC-Bonus etc. Wenn ihr das Ganze macht, checkt das gerne im angepinnten Kommentar oder in der Videobeschreibung. Ich würde sagen, wir legen jetzt mal los. Yeah, we just want to know, do you know Bitcoin?
Yes. Yes, I've heard of Bitcoin.
Okay, you own Bitcoin?
Not anymore. I sold it.
You sold it. At what
Yeah.
price?
I can't remember. I had a fraction of a Bitcoin. I just sold it all when I was looking to put a down payment on my house.
Oh, okay.
I had a very small fraction. I think it came out to $100 Australian. So
Okay. Do you know the price by now?
I stopped checking it. I don't watch it.
Okay, it just reached a new all-time high of $126,000. So do you regret it selling?
No.
No, okay, yeah. But do you want to get into? Did you just buy it to make more money out of it, or are you also in for the technology on it?
I bought it to make money.
Do you know Bitcoin?
Bitcoin, yeah.
You own Bitcoin?
No, I don't buy it.
Okay, but you heard of it multiple times and yeah, maybe reading something about it?
Yes.
So, do you know Bitcoin?
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, yeah.
Bitcoin, yeah, a little.
Do you know Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies?
No.
Do you know Bitcoin?
Bitcoin, yes, we do know Bitcoin.
Have you ever invested?
No.
Are you planning to?
No, but here's
Altcoin.
Are you trading meme coins?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. What kind of?
Floki. What else? Solana, Doge, Shiba.
Do you know Bitcoin?
Not really. I don't know anything. I know what it is, but I don't know anything about the thing.
Okay. Do you invest your money in anything else like stocks, gold, silver, and so on?
No.
Yeah, I know a bit about Bitcoins.
Okay. Tell me what?
It's basically like, like investing money, like sort of thing, like anything related with financial things, I think.
Okay, but you don't own Bitcoin.
No, I'm not.
Are you planning to?
Yeah, probably when I already have a job, something.
Do you know about Bitcoin?
Bitcoin?
Bitcoin.
Oh, yeah, heard about that.
Do you know about cryptocurrencies in general?
No, not exactly.
Do you invest in stocks, silver, gold?
Yeah, I tried the gold. I tried the golden.
What mean you tried it? Do you invest per monthly payment or
Yeah.
do you invest per single investment?
Invest the golden.
Do you know Bitcoin?
oh what?
Bitcoin.
No, sorry, I don't know.
Okay. Never heard of.
Yes, never heard of.
Do you invest your money in like gold, silver, stocks, or anything?
Yes. No, sorry, I don't. My English is not good.
It's so good. So, just savings? Do you save for like retirement or something?
No, never.
Just spending.
Oh, no, sorry.
Just quick question. Do you know Bitcoin?
Bitcoin, yeah, I know. I know Bitcoin.
Did you invest in Bitcoin?
No, not at all.
Do you know the price right now?
No idea.
Okay. Yeah, just hit an all-time high of $126,000.
Yes, per
yeah.
Bitcoin, yeah.
Yeah. Do you regret not investing?
Slightly. Yeah.
When was the first time you heard about it?
Was 10 years ago, if I'm not mistaken.
10 years ago.
When it was at 8,000 ringgit per Bitcoin.
It was something of a hobby, just looking at the movements every day, keeping watch on the news for what's going to affect the price. But I don't think I could make money trading it. I wasn't a good day trader. I lost money. I made money by not doing anything. Lost money every time I tried to buy or sell or swap between cryptocurrencies. So,
Okay, where are you from?
Australia.
Australia. Oh, a beautiful country. Yeah. So you're traveling here to Malaysia first time?
First time, yes.
Do you invest your money in anything, like anything else instead of Bitcoin, like gold, silver, stocks?
No, I'm not like to take a risk of buying it.
Did you already make some money with it?
Yeah, a few money, like $1 million.
$1 million?
No, rupiahs. I'm from Indonesia.
Ah, okay, yeah.
So I'm in Indonesia. I got from crypto like $1 million rupiah.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe a lot for few people, but for me, it's just a few because I put a lot of money on there.
No savings at all?
No.
Why not?
Because I just been a student, so I don't have savings at all. So
Okay. Where are you from?
Spain.
Ah, from Spain. So you're traveling Malaysia for the first time?
Yeah.
All right. So no plans at all to maybe, like double your money, invest it for savings, like for the future when you're getting older?
For now, because I don't know anything about the theme, for now I don't think so. But maybe in the future, I don't know. I need to get information about that.
Okay, so if we're gonna gift you 50 ringgit, would you invest it or would you spend it?
So what do you think about Bitcoin for the future? Do you think we will see like a 1 million Bitcoin one time, or do you see it will raise up, or do you think we will go down and maybe Bitcoin dies?
I think it's gonna be go up. I guess it go up because everybody right now is focused on to know about the Bitcoin. So I think it's gonna be go up.
If you would get money right now, what would you do with it? Would you invest it or would you just spend it?
Half spend some money, then just enjoy the money, then to enjoy some things.
If we gift you 50 ringgit right now, would you invest it in Bitcoin?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know. Because I still don't know how to play that, and so I feel like I don't want to risk my life.
Bitcoin is still a bit high risk, I think, in China because we are not Malaysia. We are from Chinese.
Ah, okay, yeah, already.
Oh.
Okay, cool. But do you wanna learn more about it? Like, for example, we just gift you 50 bucks now. Would you invest it in Bitcoin?
No, I think we maybe invest in gold.
Okay.
Or a lot of things you can invest, not Bitcoin, because we are not very. It's digital in China, you know.
Yeah.
We are not. It's illegal in China now. We have invest our Bitcoin in China, but not very prevalent.
Do you invest in ETFs or stocks or gold, silver?
Yeah, maybe a little ETC, maybe in bank, or maybe might buy some house.
All right. Yeah, that's a lot. Why didn't you invest?
Because I had no interest for something that I don't understand. Yeah.
That's a good choice. At least always you need to understand before you invest. That's true. Would you like to gain more knowledge about it?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
How does it come that you trade meme coins but not owning Bitcoin?
Because the range of Bitcoin is too bigger for me, so I play with the little bit. So I play with Floki because the price is little. That's why I play with Floki and Shiba.
Okay, but you can also buy just fractions of Bitcoin, like 0.01, to own it, so you don't need to trade it. Would you maybe consider that?
I've tried before, but it feels like I earn just a little, so that I play only with the meme coin. Because when I buy Bitcoin, I just only earn 0.001%, and it feels little, so little.
Yeah, it's a psychological effect. Yeah, all right.
Do you have like a channel or something?
Yeah, we've got a YouTube channel, but you might want. Probably interview, yes. It's called J Trading. So we're doing street interviews for Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and so on. Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you for your time. Yeah. So we're gonna get you 50 bucks, 50 ringgit. You can buy a book about Bitcoin.
Sure.
And no more.
I'll go after this.
Yeah, exactly. Awesome. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much, man. Have a great day.
Have a good day.
And what's your YouTube channel?
It's called J Trading. You can check out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
And of course, 50 for you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you for your time. We have to thank you. Take it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, here. You enjoy it. It's worth it. All right. Buy whatever you want. You don't need to buy Bitcoin. Buy some shoes or food or whatever. Have a nice day. Thank you for your time, both of you. You're also gonna get 50 ringgit right now for your time. This for you. No, take it.
Okay,
It's for you. You can buy some food.
You may give the order, but
So I give it to your friend. All right. Please take it. Please. All right. Thank you so much. You can buy some food or invest it in Bitcoin, whatever. All right.
I don't know, maybe save it and see what can I do. Maybe save it for the future. And
Good plan. You're gonna get 50 ringgit right now for your time. Yeah. It's for you.
thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
I have right now 50 ringgit for you guys for your time.
Yeah.
You can
Really?
maybe half.
Oh,
Spend it
okay.
half on Bitcoin,
Thank you
half
so
on
much.
food. And yeah, wish you a nice day here in Malaysia.
What's your name?
My name is Jan and the
Okay.
video will be live on J Trading on his YouTube channel.
But yeah, I would recommend trying to get more knowledge about it. So we're gonna give you 50 ringgit right now. You probably can invest it or even in a book to learn more about Bitcoin. It's for you.
It's for me.
Yeah. Just for your time.
What does that mean?
It's just for your time. So you get our time for your interview. Thank you.
Because I spend my time to do it.
Exactly. You're so welcome. Have a nice day. Good. All right.
Sorry, my English is not good.
It's so good. Yeah. So thank you for your time. We're gonna gift you 50 ringgit right now. This for you.
For me?
Thank you for your time.
No.
Yes, yes, you can keep it. It's fine.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
No, I don't.
You deserved it. You deserved. You did very well.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's interesting. Thanks a lot. So
You're welcome.
I also have a little bit of money for you. That's for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thanks a lot for your time. Wish you a nice day here.
So, wir haben es geschafft, Leute. So investiert Malaysia oder halt auch eben nicht. Also wir sind wirklich ausschließlich auf No-Coiner gestoßen. Wir haben natürlich noch viel mehr Gespräche geführt, die wir jetzt nicht hochladen können, weil die alle natürlich gesagt haben, die wollen nicht unbedingt vor die Kamera oder sowas. War denen auch ein bisschen unangenehm und so. Aber ja, wir sind insgesamt alles losgeworden, bis auf den Rest hier. Das sind jetzt noch knapp 400 Ringgit. Das müssten so um die 80 Euro sein. Der Kurs ist ungefähr 1:5. Dementsprechend, wir schauen jetzt noch, dass wir das irgendwie zufällig einer Person nochmal schenken können. Hoffentlich, wie gesagt, finden wir jemanden, der das glücklicherweise nötig hat und so, und dass wir noch jemandem eine Freude machen können, und dann sind wir auch wirklich durch für heute. Ich hoffe, euch hat das kleine Street-Interview gefallen. Ihr lasst selbstverständlich wieder ein Like und ein Abo da und checkt selbstverständlich natürlich auch die, jetzt werde ich hier von der Fliege angegriffen, checkt selbstverständlich natürlich auch die Links in der Videobeschreibung aus. Wir sehen uns dann beim nächsten Mal. Haut rein. Ciao, ciao.